Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. You want to see how I turn this into this and then into a prompt card? Stay tuned. Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm going to show you how to make a prompt card. Now I have my card, I have my scissors, I have my double-sided tape, and I have my words that I want to use. Okay, this game is played by myself and Mrs. Gigi twice a week, once on her channel on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then again on Thursday mornings at the same time on my channel. So I had them on index cards before, but I saw Rebecca from Create with Becca on YouTube have them on some ATC or some playing cards. So I'm going to do that. And what I'm going to do is take, well, if I can find the book I had, is take a sheet like this, but I want a different one. So, oh, here it is, right on the top. So we're going to go with this. Let me take this here. Put these all in the back over here, so if I need them, I have them. Okay, so we're going to take this. I'm going to choose a page in here that I want to use. Okay, so always get something. I'm going to use this one here. Okay, and then I already have some that have the tape on it because I was getting some prepared. So since I already have the tape on here, just in case, I will show you guys how I do my tape. Okay, so I take my hand, put it through the hole, and then I do that. For beginners, I'll show you. Now I have a domino that was made with that was made by Cross by Teresa, and I'm using that to make the tape even. It's made out of resin, and I've bought some from her, and I like them. They're not too heavy or anything like that. So you need to do the same thing on this side. Put it on all four corners. Like so. And you're done with this part. So you can put the domino and the tape aside. Now I'm going to take my paper here, and I'm going to get my pokey tool here and pull that off. And I have a little box that I made for trash on the side of me. Like so. And then take my paper, turn it upside down, and do that. And then I'm going to take my X-Acto knife or a box cutter or whatever, go along the side of the card, trim out all the excess. Like so. Okay. Now, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. But make sure to make the tape the backing on the double-sided tape come off easy. Make sure you burnish. I should have did that beforehand, but well, you know how that goes. Take that off. And you don't want to put your fingers too much on the double-sided tape because it will, all the oils from your skin will come off on the double-sided tape. You can also take a bone folder and burnish it on both sides. Okay, then do the same thing as you did before. And oops, that part didn't come out. Then you have that. Okay, basically this will be an AT. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take both of the words and put some double-sided tape on it. One on this one and a piece on this one. And just take the backing off and put this like this. And then take the other one and do the same thing. Now you can have them go across, but since this is a really long word, I want it at an angle, so it's better for me. So this is how you make a prompt card out of a playing card. I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be blessed, be kind, be loving, be caring, love and light to all. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take my word here, trim it, like so. Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. You want to see how I turn this into this and then into a prompt card? Stay tuned.